If your hair been breaking, shedding, or just refuse to grow, this 7 days natural challenge will change everything. I combine my flaxseed and chai mask with a powerful rosemary, lavender, and Waawaakye hair resin tea. I infused it with a cold press oil, and the result was unbelievable, guys. Strong strands, fast grow, and soft and shining ever. So let's divert to the video. Okay guys, now I'm going to add my flaxseed into, I'm going to put my flaxseed into my pot. So I'm going to put 1 cup of flaxseed, and after flaxseed also I'm going to add my chai tea. So guys, please stay tuned and watch to the end, because I'm going to tell you guys the best way that you can use it to get the result of this thing, doing this challenge for 7 days. So now I'm going to add my chai tea. So my 7 days, this is 7 days hair grow routine using my flaxseed chai tea mask plus secret rosemary, rosemary and Waawaakye resin tea is another level. This combine is deep nourishing your roof and boosting hair growth naturally. No chemicals, no salon cost, so you have to watch it. You are not going, the only thing, just gather some small amount. I don't know how much where you are watching me from your country, how much they're selling that flaxseed and the chai tea. Use it for 7 days and thank me later, because this is so amazing for hair growth. Or if you are looking for a way to grow your hair faster, these are the things that you don't need to joke on it. So I used this thing for 1 week. So after 1 week, I noticed something. I said, oh my god, why I didn't start using this thing earlier? But I didn't regret it, because everything is having a time. Everything, before I will bring any video, I always make sure to try it before and see how the thing is, whether it's working or not, before I can bring it to the board so that people also can benefit. So after I use it, I see a lot of changes. So now I said, okay, while I'm preparing for my little girl also, let me do what? Let me bring it to share it with others so that you guys also will benefit something from it. So while I'm boiling my flaxseed and chai tea, I'm going to take you guys for us to look at flaxseed and the chai tea, the benefit. Flaxseed is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which is strengthening your hair and stimulating hair growth. While chai tea also improving black flows, reducing dandruff, and adding shining to your hair. And also it's giving you easier to detangle. If you are going to make detangle to your hair, it's very easier for you to do it, because of the slippery, is it slippery? Please guys, let me know in the comment center the good English that they are, my English is not English, the good English that they are calling that. Is it slippery or slamming? I don't know. So let me know which one it is, whether slippery or slimy. So because of that, in that gel, it's making your hair easier. It's making easy for you to detangle your hair. If you are going to detangle your hair, you can also use those gel, also natural gel, if you want to put gel into your hair, because I can see some of our sisters, they like to put so many chemicals, gels into their hair. You can use this natural gel into your hair and you are safe. It is going to help you also again. So guys, as you guys can notice that I was put 2 cups of water inside. So I noticed that the water is not going to be enough, so I bring 1 cup of water to add inside, because this thing, for you doing it, everybody is having it the way that they are boiling their flaxseed. Okay, you can make it, because sometimes it depends on the things that I'm going to use. Sometimes I like to get my flaxseed gel while the gel is very thick. It's having some things that I'm using the thick gel to do, and also there are some parts also I want my gel to be watering, to look so liquid, to look watering, than to take too much, to be too much thicker, to look so thick. So now after adding these waters, you guys will see how I'm going to do it. So that's why I want to tell you guys, like, if you are going to make yours, just do it according to what you want. If you want your your gel to be too much thick, then don't add a lot of water. But if you don't want the gel to be thick too much, then you have to add plenty water. So after I strain it, I just get some few amount of gel because I want to use it for something. So I divide it into 7. They are the first one that I blended. Now I blend it. That one we are going to use it for my little girl. I'm going to use it for princess. So after that, also I'm adding my cold pressed avocado oil. You know, this avocado oil is very amazing. I make it for myself, guys. It's inside my daughter channel. You can check it from Princess Haircare. I posted that video in Princess Haircare. If you want to see how to make that your cold pressed avocado oil, you can check it out in that channel. And also, if you are interested of it, you guys can let me know so that I will make another one for this channel also. So after I add my 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, I'm adding honey also. So let's see. Avocado oil also is packed with vitamin A and D and E for deep moisturizing. Okay, it will help you to moisturize your hair naturally. Why honey also? I added 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey also is having humectants that locking in hydrating your hair, and also honey is helping your hair to get more soft and easier to manage your hair. So now after that, I'm adding my lavender. You guys can see I'm adding my lavender inside. Lavender also is also calming the hair, the scalp, and also boosting hair growth. So these things, like especially like when you are getting new hair growth, you are using it, you see the hair is started doing what? It's coming with a very healthier, without any chemicals, without any damaging. So if your hair is coming out healthier, definitely you are starting to benefit something from it. But if your hair is growing, but while your hair is down, is growing, but you are still shedding, you are still breaking, your hair is breaking, it means, you know, whatever that you are growing, you are just losing half of it again. So guys, after I added my castor oil. That one also I call it cold pressed castor oil. Actually, I did not make it for myself. That one someone make it and give me some. So it's also thicker. Castor oil also is thickening hair and sealing moisture to your hair. So you can see, guys, you can see how my hair mask, how well trained, how what I was telling you guys, you can see that this hair mask is very liquidy. It's not thick. That is what I want it. That is how I want it, because this hair mask, I'm using it for my daughter, and her hair I make braids. I actually not braids, I make mini braids for hair. So because of that mini braids, I don't want the thing to be too much thick. I want it to be looking a little bit liquid. So after that, the next thing that I'm going to show it to you guys, this thing I cannot do it without adding these things inside. This is the lavender, rosemary, and my Waawaakye powder that I use to infuse for racing tea. Okay, I did a mistake, guys. You people don't mind me. Next time when you people are going to do yours, don't do it like this, because sometimes when I'm preparing my things, if I don't take time, where the place that I'm standing, everywhere is going to get wet. Because I take the big bowl or put it back inside that bottle before strain it inside the big one. No, but I didn't do it that way. I tried to strain it inside that small bottle. So that's it. But anyway, I didn't cause any accident. But I only know that I'm lucky today. Maybe next time I may not be lucky like that again. Okay, guys, so let's continue. Please, the best way to use this hair mask, always try to do what? Before you apply it, hydrate your hair and apply it. After applying it, sit at least like 30 minutes before you go and wash. After washing your hair with your shampoo and your deep treatment, okay, that water, the leave-in in or the racing tea that I make earlier, that one you are going to use that one to do what? To raise your head without putting water inside. After using it in your hair, you are not going to put water inside again, saying, oh, maybe you have to put water and wash it. No, that one is going to be the last thing that you put inside your hair without putting any water in it. When you come out, listen very careful. When you come out, please try to add your leave-in condition to your hair. Add your liquid. If you have the liquid, add it into your scalp, massage your scalp, and use your hair butter to seal the moisture in. But if you don't have leave-in condition, then what you have to do, just use the oil that you have. If you have liquid, then you use it in your scalp and use the butter to seal. But if you don't have the liquid one also, then just use the hair butter that you have to seal your to seal the hair moisture, to seal it inside, so that it will keep the moisture. Okay, because without using that thing, it can do what? It can cause you get dry for your hair. Okay, so that one I have to tell you guys, I have to tell you, it can make your hair dry. So please, if you watch it up to this point, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for me. And also, if you love natural hair growing routine, and hit the notification bell. After subscribing, just hit the notification bell. Anytime when we upload video, YouTube, they will notify you. And also in the comments below, just comment grow queen. Okay, grow queen, write it over there, so that I will know that you guys are doing what, you are loving what I'm bringing here. Okay guys, so thank you very much. So this is the things that I'm using. So now I'm adding my lavender inside. Added lavender oil inside. Lavender, as I told you guys earlier, lavender is adding calms and hair growing. And why castor oil also is adding your hair, giving your hair thicker. If your hair is growing thicker hair. Why honey also is helping to keep lock the moisture into your hair, and easier for you to manage your hair. If you have, especially if you have stubborn hair, you are adding these things, honey, into your routine is going to help you. Or you can add honey or glycerin, any type of glycerin, because we have so many type of glycerin. If you just get nice one, just buy and add inside. Maybe if you don't have honey, but you can put the glycerin inside, as glycerin can present like honey. It's all doing the same work. So these are the things that I make today. So now that's my mask, and this one I'm going to put inside the fridge. And this one is I'm going to dilute it with water, because that's why I make it have. I will dilute it with water for us to use to enrich our hair. This one also is for our leave-in spray. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.